What is going on, everybody? Well, I just thought I'd take a minute. I know it's dark. Hopefully you're getting a decent picture of this. This is the 2020 Harley Davidson Iron 883. I've had it for about 3 months now or so. And for some reason, this Harley decides to not put any LED lights on this motorcycle other than on the license plate. Yeah, the license plate's LED out of all things. Imagine that. Everything else, the turn signals, brake lights, the front running lights, the headlight, everything else is the old school halogen. So I've replaced every light on here. I no longer have any halogen. I've got LED, and I just want to show y'all, if we get this, hopefully we get this good enough on camera, the difference that it makes. Now the headlights, I mean, it's unreal. It is unreal, the difference. And I opted to get the white LED front instead of the amber. Just, I don't know, a little more visibility during the daytime especially. But what I like about these, let me just hit my four ways. Well, let me show you first. You might not be able to see this on camera. They're not like the normal LEDs where you see the round. Let's see if it'll focus. I don't know if it will. Anyway, this just looks like one of the cars, you know, the newer vehicles that have the professional LEDs. You don't see any of the round little LED dots or anything like that on it. The front's the same way, but I know you won't be able to focus on the white. But yeah, these are called defused. If you like them, search Amazon for defused LED motorcycle and you'll get it. And what's cool about them too, the front ones, when you put your turn signals on, yeah, whichever one you got will change to amber. And then when you let off, if I can find a turn signal, boop, there you go. So anyway, just a real quick video, seeing if y'all like them or not. If you do, like I said, search for defused. What that means is that they're normal. And let me show you the full ways on the back just so you can see the difference here. I mean, they're bright as crap. And the defused, I can't talk tonight, I'm so tired, I'm sorry. It is almost 4 a.m. right now. But the defused basically just means that you can't see any of the LEDs. It looks kind of like, I call it the professional car LED. I don't know. But anyway, oh, and also, the only thing else I've really done to this thing is I've got the Vance Hines slip-on exhaust, which they were expensive as crap just to be slip-ons, but my god, they make the bike sound good. Hang on, I'll show you here in a second if I can find neutral. And I got the Mustang seat for it also, and it's lightning right now. Yay. Just so y'all know, the Mustang seat, yeah, everybody and their brother said that was the best thing that you'll ever buy for this bike. The jury's still out on that. Hey, I found neutral. I will honestly tell you, I've been riding for about an hour and a half right now, and I'm fine. I could ride further, but it's not comfortable. It's really weird. I can ride further. I guess it's formed better. I can ride further, but it's not comfortable, if that makes any sense. It doesn't to me either, I know. But I do like the looks on it. And I actually like how it doesn't go all the way up to the tank. You see now it has that gap right there. I like that actually. I think it makes it look tough. So you all in all, but listen, I mean, listen to it. It sounds good. Not the seat. The seat sounds good. The exhaust. Much better than stock. Yeah, I will say that's definitely a mod I would suggest if you get a 883 stock. The seat, it's up to you, but I like it. The LED lights, man, that's a safety. You got to do it, and I have no idea why Harley didn't do it. But anyway, that's been long enough for me jabbering on. It's about 5 minutes now, so I appreciate it. Y'all have a good one, and I'll see you next time.